Ambur Hot Dum Biryani in Ooty. The Nilgiris is one of the districts in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu and probably the only district in India with a definite article, the. The district's headquarters is Ooty, also known as Uttakamand and Udagamandalam. Ooty was once the summer capital of Madras Presidency during the British Raj. Even in the third decade of the 21st century, the hill station retains a pan-Indian atmosphere. Ambur Hot Dum Biryani is a restaurant nearby Ooty bus station and by Pillayar Kovil Street Road. The chef and the server is the Urdu and Telugu speaking Indian from the state of Andhra Pradesh, but cooking and serving the well known dish of the Karnataka state and by living and working in Ooty in the state of Tamil Nadu. The signature dishes of the restaurant are a variation of Ambur biryani. The main dish is chicken biryani with egg and gravy. The chef cooks the signature dish in a cauldron. After cooking the dish, the temperature of the dish is maintained with a low heat from below. Every day by midnight, all the biryani from this cauldron gets sold out. Interestingly, the restaurant has a minimalist menu where one knows what to cook and where one goes to eat what one knows. In Ooty, Ambur Hot Dum Biryani.